An LCD panel typically consists of more than 1 million pixels. Each pixel contains 3 subpixels, or cells, which look red, green, or blue because of the color filters. The cells can block the background light or allow it to pass through, depending on whether they are electrically charged or not. The electric voltage is generated by the electrodes, arranged in a way that allows each cell to be controlled individually. The polarizing filters are also important components of an LCD panel. These filters permit light waves to pass through on one plane only. The waves that oscillate on a plane perpendicular to the polarizing plane are completely blocked. There are 2 filters in an LCD panel, one with a vertical axis and the other with a horizontal axis. Thus, light waves passing through the first filter can only pass through the second if their polarization is switched by the liquid crystal particles found between the filters. In their default alignment, when the pixel is not under electric voltage, the particles rotate the plane of the light waves by 90 degrees, which then passes through the second filter, and thus the pixel emits light. When voltage is applied, their alignment changes. They do not rotate the light waves, and therefore the waves are blocked by the second filter, and the pixel does not emit light.